Banggood. Sa akin Banggood.
Room tour. Here's our crib for tonight. Dalawa ang bed. Pag nag-away kayo, pwede kang lumipat doon. Charot. Of course, here's the mirror. Hi guys. May vault doon. And here's the shelves. Buksan natin yung kasama natin. Here's the CR. Luwag in fairness. Laki. Oh. Shower area. May heater. Hot and cold shower. May toiletries. Nice one. And we have water. We have mini ref here. That's it, guys. Ito yung labas. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? Pwede ka magsampa, pwede ka magbanlaw. Pero room tour natin dito sa kabilang room. Oh, may sarili lang sofa, may 2 single bed, may queen bed, king bed. Oh, may drawer. See, may salamin, and of course, may ceiling fan at malaking bathroom. May shower, hot and cold. See guys, it's very nice here. Anong pangalan ng ref ng hotel?
Bonita.
Bonita Oasis. Thanks guys. Bye. Ganda ng labas. Nice. Very nice. Malinis. You go and pick some guavas there.
At the air purifier yun, Jay.
Tabon ko. May mga buko kami doon. May mga buko kami doon. May mga guavas kami dyan. May mga abuos pa kami doon. You know abuos? There's abuos. Ant's egg. And ito yung aisle. Yan. Tapos doon yung restaurant area, yung pool, and then yung daan going down to the cliff to the beach. There. Patingin. Nakapitas na siya ng guava, guys.
Mataas pa yung iba eh. May aeroplano pala. Ay, yung sa level.
Dito, mamutoy kang buwan para magbalik.
Sorry po. Fort San Pedro. Oh, may wedding. Parang Fort Santiago ganun. Si Magellan's. Oh.
Hindi yun?
Oo. End na dito na.
Pwedeng cash.
Buo ma? Natulay? the sunset.
Ito sa tapat. Mga katao.
Maliit na island pa doon.
Taas.
Kami naman ni Ate Lady sa Windows. Oo.
Ay, yung ano, dalawang nakahiwalay, window seat. Pero yung apat na magkakasama sa gitna.